Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Settings and after scrolling down, click on Display and Brightness. Now click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness and as you can see, now it's on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same No Blue switcher. If you wish to, you can also go into Tap menu and click on this icon with A next to Brightness slider to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!